quite difficult situation. I wasn't sleeping. I'm still not sleeping. Because how can he get away with it? Like, I'm probably not going to see my money anytime soon, or the headstone's not even real. Oh, well, it is, but not my uncle's or my nan's. So here's the 3 stones that I took. As you can see, one was glued, a plaque. This one here had stickers on it. I told her to take them off, just because I wanted to take something I could work with. This one here, she just pretty much gave it to me. She said I could take the 2 little ones, and then she'll sort my reimbursement out and I can take them back. We're still grieving, and just for people like this to just take off a lot of people. We're not thinking straight, so we're thinking we're getting a deal, but really he's the one getting the deal in the end, which sucks.